Let's face it, the speed of software development and deployment has moved more rapidly than anyone would have guessed just a few years ago. The growth rate and pace today are nothing less than staggering. And like everything that moves with lightning speed, difficulties pile up just as quickly. The reality is that the database side of development simply couldn't keep up with the astonishing pace of software development. And of course, there's a reason for that. The database side is more complicated and more error-prone, causing many more issues, from configuration drifts to long feedback loops, lack of audit trails, as well as a lack of collaboration across teams. It's a recipe for chaos. While software deployment had source control elements that enabled automation for developers to move very quickly, the database side has often defaulted to manual deployments due to the lack of automated tools to help ease the bottlenecks, long feedback loops, and delayed release cycles. But let's look at a real example. Realizing this huge disparity between the dev team and the database team, a large company in the US asked DBmaestro to help them automate their databases. This customer had 220 applications deploying regularly, with 4 different environments per application. In total, they had almost 29,000 database changes per year. The DevOps team was stretched across 18 corporate locations in 4 time zones. DBA seemed to carry a very large portion of the burden. There were 1,900 developers, 525 architects, and only 116 DBAs. The only way to eliminate the potential for chaos is to ensure that the database DevOps platform can streamline the database changes seamlessly through every developer, in every team, in every time zone, and every department. And it's crucial that it's deployed securely and safely, governed, audited, and compliant. It's now possible to seamlessly integrate database delivery into your existing DevOps stack. But the solution also needs to integrate with Git, Jira, Jenkins, Azure DevOps, or whatever tools you're using in your pipeline. Automate end-to-end CI/CD pipelines. Speed up feedback loops and accelerate release cycles so that the database is not only on par with development, but ready and waiting for the next assignment. That is what DBmaestro's DevSecOps platform does.